Understanding Stipends and Allowances, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into two important terms that often come up in discussions about finance and employment: stipends and allowances. Understanding these concepts can be very useful, especially if you are navigating job offers, educational opportunities, or financial planning. Let's break down what each of these terms means and how they differ from each other. A stipend is a fixed sum of money paid periodically for services or to defray expenses. Unlike a salary, which is paid for professional services and often reflects the amount of work done, a stipend is usually offered to individuals in internship, apprenticeship, or training positions. It's not typically based on the hours worked but is provided as a support for the individual during their learning or working period. Stipends are common in educational settings, such as graduate research, and in sectors where practical experience is a part of the learning process. An allowance, on the other hand, is an amount of money given or allotted usually at regular intervals for a specific purpose. The purpose of an allowance can vary widely, from covering business expenses, such as travel and accommodation, to personal use like a monthly budget for food and utilities. Allowances can be given to employees, children, or partners and are intended to cover costs that are often predetermined or estimated. While stipends and allowances may seem similar, they serve different purposes and are used in different contexts. The key differences include: purpose. Stipends support individuals during learning or training periods, while allowances cover specific expenses. Payment structure. Stipends are generally a fixed amount paid over a period, whereas allowances might vary based on the actual expenses incurred. Tax implications. The tax treatment of stipends and allowances can differ significantly based on local laws and the specific circumstances under which they are paid. Understanding these differences is crucial for managing your finances effectively and making informed decisions about employment and education opportunities. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and differences between stipends and allowances. Both are important financial supports that serve different purposes in our personal and professional lives. Remember, when dealing with either, it's essential to understand the terms and conditions attached, including any tax implications. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. See you in the next video.